Tudri kodwa ina bwa marote machuok maenari adeka uchiel na nono kao kamano bende waidore mbui mag oganda mopogore yudwe mbui achiel kachiel mar Facebook Ramogi TV, bende waidore kanyo Instagram Ramogi TV, yudwe mbui mar X, mbui mar TikTok achiel kod Instagram nyinga Simfroz Okinda. Kawachako ni Jatend piny William Ruto singomana ni chenro mar Kabonyo Kanyagwal olos kendo otieki e samo winjore. Ma oting'o nyaka landing site 10 e alwora mar Namlolwe. Ma bende biro kawo omenda maromo shillings milion 100 kendo ibiro ritgi kod piny owacho mar kaunti ma Kisumu. Kamano bende omedo ni e siro chenro ni gidhi tudore kod migawo mar reye kendo keto omenda mar tiego jogo madhi tayo weche mag lupo kendo rito reye. Ruto loso romo mar ohala kod tudruok e boma ma Kisumu.
And I want to confirm to the people of this region that the Kabonyo fish facility here that will provide 7 million fingerlings every year is off to a start to make sure that we restock Lake Victoria and to make it much more viable for our fishermen and women. We are off to a start in the 10 landing sites along Lake Victoria from Busia all the way to Migori. Specifically here in Kisumu, we have agreed with Professor here that we are putting up a landing site in Asat and Ogal. The advert for the same will be out in January, and we're going to spend about 300 million shillings to make sure that those facilities are available, and they will be managed by the county government of Kisumu to make sure that they also add additional facilities to facilitate the whole fishing ecosystem in our region. As you have talked about, the fishing boats and the entire fishing ecosystem with support in training and in making sure that the lake ecosystem has the necessary infrastructure. Again, I am looking forward to your partnership with my ministry responsible for maritime affairs and fisheries. We have an 800 million shilling facility for fish boats and training of your fisher folk. Again, beginning January, if you can have a conversation with CS Joho and his team, we are aligned to make sure that the whole of this Lake Victoria front, from Busia all the way to Migori, benefits from this facility as we improve our food security and ensuring that we import less and export more.
Jatend migawo mar omenda John Badi opoyo winjruok mane obede wi pok mar omenda ne counties kowacho ni migepe osechwalo omenda ne counties kaka dwarore. Badi okwayo mondo omenda ma counties ochwale samo winjore mar geng'o ng'ikruok e chenro maggi.
Both of us are actually students of devolution. Remember, we have pushed devolution together even when we were together with you in ODM. Today we are again together in broad-based government. So we agreed that we will make sure that devolution is supported and supported fully with action, not just by words. Even though we had challenges of how much to give the counties, but that I think has now been settled at 387 billion shillings, which both houses of parliament have agreed on. We have endeavored, Your Excellency, and I don't think I've disappointed you, in making sure that counties receive their funding timeously. I want to just make it clear, Your Excellency, that yes, we crossed over 2023-24 with 1 month arrears to pay and share of revenue to counties, 30.8 billion. And that amount was actually paid on 27th of July 2024. Now for this financial year, Your Excellency, we had a little bit of a challenge because of the legal framework, but again we both agreed that we get the opinion of the Attorney General, and which we got. I sought the opinion and we got, and immediately I got that opinion. On 24th of September 2024, we made transfer of 32.76 billion to the county government for the month of July, And then on 17th of October 2024, we transferred 30.8 billion to the counties for the month of August. And then on 14th of November 2024, we made a transfer of 32.7 billion for the month of September. And less than a week later, on 18th, which is Monday of November 2024, we transferred 30.8 billion for the month of October.